Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the default message sent on purchase orders. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and change the default message that's sent on purchase orders. How do you actually go ahead and adjust that? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. In order to change this, what you're first going to do is log on to QuickBooks. Then you want to click on the gear icon on the upper right hand corner. Then click on Account and Settings. And then once you're on this page here, on the left hand side, you want to go ahead and click on Expenses. And then next, what you want to do is that you want to click on where it says Messages, and then click on Default Email Message Sent with Purchase Orders, and then click on the pencil icon. Afterwards, this is where you can actually change the email subject line, the email message, etc. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change the default email message sent with purchase orders. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.